Hi, I'm Natalie Worden. I've been a physical therapist for 15 years. And I'm here with you today because so many of my home health clients are asking me for videos of my exercises because they don't remember them and they just aren't motivated to do them on their own. So I created Transitional Fitness. It's 4 different levels. Level 1 is very gentle. You're lying down or you're seated. It's 5 minutes at a time with an hour to recover in between. Anybody can give me that. You can stay on level 1 as long as you want, days or weeks, until you're ready to progress to level 2, which is a little harder, and then level 3, which is a little more difficult, and finally level 4, which is just a regular 35 to 40 minute workout. And it's got some advanced moves, so I think we have a little bit for everybody here. Please make sure you only do what's appropriate for you. You know that if you need close supervision to do standing exercises safely, that it's just not worth the fall risk to go ahead and try them without somebody near you. So focus on the seated ones and the standing ones until someone is available to keep you safe. Please make sure you're hydrating with your water, you're eating healthy meals, and that you have primary care physician clearance before you do any exercise program. I always want you to monitor your blood pressures, your blood sugars, your heart rates. Never push through pain, chest pain, heart palpitations, blurred vision. These are all reasons to stop, sit down, and if they persist, call your doctor. Okay, you are in charge of making this fun for you. I just have one video, but you're also different. Put on your favorite music, your favorite TV shows, and that way you look forward to joining me every single day. The benefits to vigorous exercise 7 days a week, they're more than proven, both physically and more importantly, mentally. So don't even think about it. I want you to put those goals in the back of your mind every day, those things you're trying to get to. For some of you, it's just walking to the bathroom whenever you want. But for others, it's getting back to golf or cleaning, cooking. So meet me here every day and I will get you there gradually. And let's start now. Level 1, Transitional Fitness. Here we go.